We are going to solve line and plane miscellaneous exercise 6b question number 2. The first question number 2 is find the vector equation of the plane which is at a distance of 5 units from the origin, which is normal to the vector 2y plus j plus 2k at a distance of 5 means what is the value of p? P is equal to 5. Okay. Now what is the value of n is equal to, I can write down 2i plus j plus 2k. Okay. Now what is the vector equation? Is r dot n to p. Now I will substitute the value r into what is n is 2i plus j plus 2k is equal to what is the value of p is 5. This is the required equation of the plane. Okay, this question can be asked for 1 mark also. Okay, now we are going to solve the second problem. Find the length of the perpendicular from the origin, okay, from the plane. 6x plus 2y plus 3z minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what I will do here? Direction ratio. Okay. Write down. What are the direction ratios are? 2, 3, 6, 2 and 3. Okay. Now what is my n vector is equal to? I can write down as 6i plus 2j plus 3k. Okay. Now I can find out the magnitude of n. Okay. Under root of 6 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. What will come here? Root 49 will come here. Okay. Now this will be 7. Okay. Now what are my direction cosines? Are 6 by 7, okay, 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. Okay. Now what is the equation of plane is given? Equation of the plane is given 2x plus 2y, 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 7. Now I will divide each term by 7. Divide by 7. So what will come here? 6 by 7 x plus 2 by 7 y plus 3 by 7 z. Okay, 7 upon 7 means this will get cancelled. That is equal to 1. Now this is the distance of find the length of the perpendicular distance. Therefore perpendicular distance is equal to 1. Okay. Now we are going to solve the third problem. What is given here? Find the coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane. What is given? 2x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 49. Okay. Now I am writing dr of this plane equation are 2, 3 and 6. Now what is my n is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Okay. Now I will find out the magnitude of this. Under root of, okay, 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. Okay. Again what is coming here? Root 49. That is equal to 7. My direction cosine will be 2 by 7, 3 by 7 and 6 by 7. Okay. Now what will come here? Now I will divide this equation by 7. What is the equation of plane? 2x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 49. Divide by 7. What will come here? 2 by 7x plus 3 by 7y plus 6z upon 7 is equal to 49 upon 7. Hence my perpendicular distance is 7. Now I want to find out the coordinate of foot of perpendicular. Coordinate of foot of perpendicular is given by, what is the formula for this? L into P, okay, then N into P and M into P and N into P, okay. Now I will substitute the value. What will come here? That is equal to 2 by 7 into what is the value of P? P is equal to 7, okay. Now M into B, what is the value of M? Is 3 by 7 into 7, then 6 by 7 into 7. Now I will cancel this 7, so what will come here? 2, 3 and 6 are the coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular. Means you must know the formula. Now we are going to solve the other problem. We are going to solve the problem number 4, in which reduce the equation r dot 6i plus 8j plus 24k is equal to 13 to the normal form. Okay. Now what will come here? N is equal to, what will come here? 6i plus 8j plus 24k. Okay. Now what is the value of small n? Is equal to under root of 6 square plus 8 square plus 24 square. Okay. Now I can calculate this. What will come here? 36 plus 64 plus 576. Now when I will add this, I will get 676. And what is the square root of 626? Is 26. Okay. Now my direction ratio of these equations are 6, 8 and 24. Okay. Now what I will do here, I will divide the equation 6i plus 8j plus 24k is equal to by 26. What will come here? 6 upon 26i plus j plus 24 upon 26k is equal to 30 upon 13i. Okay. 4 upon 13j plus then 12 upon 13k is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now this is your perpendicular. Length of the perpendicular is equal to length of perpendicular is equal to 1 by 2 and direction cosine 3 by 13, 4 by 13 and 12 by 13. These are the required answer for the given problem. Okay, you understand? Now we will go to solve the fifth problem. 3 points are given. You have to find out the equation of the plane. Now what will come here? It is first find out b minus a, and what will come here? 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 1 plus 2. Okay. Now what will come here again? 1 will come here. Minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to minus 4 will come here. Now this can be written as 1i plus 1j minus 4k. Okay. Now what I will find out? C minus a. Okay. Now what will come? 0 minus 1, that is equal to minus I will come here. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3j will come here. 5 1 that is equal to 4k. Now I will find out the cross product of this. So B minus A cross product of C minus A. Okay. Now what we'll do here, I, J, K. Now I am writing the coefficient 1, 1 minus 4, minus 1, 3 and 4. Okay. Now what will come here? Now we will simplify. I, that is 4 plus 12, that is equal to 16, minus J. Okay. 4 1 ja 4, minus 4 means 0 will come here. Okay. Now plus K, 3 1 ja 3, 3 plus 1, 4 will come here. Now what is the value of this? Is 16I minus J 0J plus 4K. Okay. Now this can be written as 16I plus 4K. Okay. Now I know the formula for this is R minus A dot B minus now is equal to 0. Now I am substituting the value. So what will come here? R minus A. A means what is your value? Is I minus 2J. Okay. Plus K. And what is the value of this? I am putting here bracket, and this is 16I plus 4K. Okay, is equal to 0. Now I will multiply this with this. So what will come here? R into 16. Okay, this is 16I plus 4K minus I minus 2J plus K. Okay, plus 4K will come here. Okay, is equal to 0. Now I will transfer and simplify. So what I am getting? R into 16I minus plus 4K. Okay. Now this will be I minus 2J plus K. 16I plus 4K. Okay. Now 16 1 ja 16. This will be 0 because J is 0. 4 1 ja 4. Means that is equal to 20. Means my required answer is R dot 16I plus 4K is equal to 20. This is the required answer for the given problem.